We're Chuck and Lori, and we're taking you to England. Today we're going to show you our amazing room at the Shangri-La in the Shard. Then tag along with us as we explore a little bit of central London. Big black ball.
Yeah, what is the significance?
Ah, coffee. Good morning from London. We're at the Shard. This room is really incredible. We're going to show it to you. We'll start with the view. We're right at the corner. The corner is really cool because you can see the walkie-talkie, I guess it's called, over here. We can't see Tower Bridge from this angle. Going to show you what they gave me for my birthday, which was pretty cool of them. They gave me this really cute little cake. It even says happy birthday on it. It's a lemon and yuzu, hope I pronounced that right, drizzled cake. And there's even a card. It says, "Dear Mr. Kovac and loved one," Lori's the loved one, "welcome to the clouds, wishing you a happy birthday." Nice, big, comfy bed. Plenty of dresser space. I've destroyed the desk, but the desk is really perfect for, well, what vloggers do most, right? Mess around with editing and downloading footage and stuff when you're on your trip. All right, check this out. This is the mini bar. Look at this thing. Pretty much has everything you could ever want. Anything you're willing to pay for. Got plenty of booze in here and snacky snack stuff and all kinds of cool stuff. And we have your glasses, of course. And the coffee stuff. So we're pretty well set up in here. It's pretty good. We have a whole bunch of storage space that we're probably not going to dare to use, but there's a lot of space here. Where the safe is, this is where we keep all the valuables. Shh, don't tell anyone. Then we have an ironing board and an umbrella and an iron. The room's somewhat automated, and the blinds in particular are. So check this out. If we push this button right here, actually these two, and we go over here, voila, presto, the blinds close. Pretty cool. Since you showed up, do you want me to share this with you? Maybe.
I'd like to have a piece.
You can't have the whole piece, you can have some.
It looks yummy.
You take my chocolate.
Is this chocolate too?
Maybe. Chocolate and coffee.
Very good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. So what are we gonna do today? I know what I want to do. I want to go to Tower Bridge.
Well, I know what we have scheduled. I guess the question is, what do we do that's not scheduled?
Tower Bridge. Spiderman, Tower Bridge.
So, how do we get there?
We go all the way down
A taxi or walk?
and walk, probably. It's 15 minutes walk. I checked. And maybe Mini 3 can go in here. Maybe. We're walking the streets of London, and we're going to Tower Bridge first. You've seen Spiderman, you've seen this bridge.
That's awesome.
It's pretty, super cool. It's right up through there. Ooh, it's cool. It's cool. Big black ball.
Yeah, what is the significance?
I don't know. We're walking across Tower Bridge. I love this bridge. As a mechanical engineer, I really love this bridge. Tower Bridge is a collaboration between civil engineer Sir John Wolfberry and architect Sir Horace Jones. It was actually built after a public design competition. Tower Bridge opened to the public in 1894. It took 8 years to build at the cost of £1 million. Wow, this is super badass. I see some other really cool stuff like the walkie-talkie across the way here and a few other really cool buildings. Really magnificent. The glass-floored walkways were added in 2014 so that visitors could look down on the road and river below. It is often mistaken for London Bridge, which, no disrespect to it, London Bridge is far less impressive. For the longest time I've wanted to fly my drone here, so we were going to give it a whirl and see if we can make it happen. I'm a little nervous, but I have to fly this bad boy. It's for the good of all. I can't think of a better bridge to use for Spider-Man Far From Home than Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is actually not a drawbridge at all. It's a bascule bridge. The two connecting roads or bascules act like giant seesaws to pivot to open and close the bridge. Up until 1976, the Tower Bridge was actually powered by steam. Today, the hydraulics are driven by electricity instead. River traffic actually gets priority over street traffic, so you could wait a while to cross the bridge in rush hour. As a mechanical engineer, I can just say this bridge is magnificent. It is bridge porn to the max. My knees are majorly knocking.
You can do it.
I'm so nervous. Success. No, I'm done. I'm shaking. My knees are shaking. They're like, oh my God. After a major adrenaline rush seeing Tower Bridge, it was time to get back to the Shard to get resituated to do more stuff. There were some pretty cool sculptures on our walk back. We found these little monkeys monkeying around. Carter, Bo, and Duke. Pretty awesome. And they're monkeying around too. This kid's behind us.
Monkey, must be a thing.
There's another monkey over here. God, there are monkeys everywhere in London. What's up with that? It's Chase.
We're gonna look at a bunch of grapes. I think you're passed on the wrong side. I'm not even sure. See if you get snacks for your room. Yeah, there's more monkeys. I don't know what the deal is.
This map shows the 28 bronze statues of chimpanzees by Gillie and Marc spattered about London. We're still walking.
We are, but we're almost to the Shard.
Yeah, it's right here in front of us. It's a tall-ass building. Oh my God. The Shard is the tallest building in the UK. We made it back to the Shard, but it's also the Shangri-La. That's actually what it is.
Yes, the Shard is the entire building.
Yes.
Because they're building.
Yep. It's easy to see that the Shard is a 5-star hotel. Everything about it screams luxury. You'll see attention to detail everywhere, even in the elevator. This is the 35th floor of Shard, well, Shangri-La. This is where you kind of check in and everything over here. The view's not so bad up here, I would say. All right, we made it to our floor. 4911 is our room.
don't have the key.
You have a key. How are we going to get in?
I thought you still had yours.
Oh, I do have a key.
Okay.
Hold on. Here we go.
I'll have to see if...
We're in.
Yeah, we don't
Don't let
have to
anybody in.
Yeah.
There's a lot more to see in London. So pack your bag and join us for afternoon tea at the Savoy. Wow, look at that. Impressive.
Cheers.
Cheers.